This video explains how to buy shares of Silicon Laboratories Inc. in a simple, step-by-step way. Silicon Laboratories is a U.S. semiconductor company focused on mixed-signal and wireless connectivity solutions, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SLAB. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you must use a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the typical process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SLAB to locate the company listing. Confirm you select Silicon Laboratories Inc. from the search results to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart for recent performance. Make sure the page clearly shows Silicon Laboratories Inc. traded as SLAB on NASDAQ, so you are on the correct asset. To buy, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms. After the trade fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow this platform example.